Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? America's Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're here with Masicka. Masicka dropped the video for Most Wanted. So that one I found off him album. This one album is one of my favorite on the album. Well, every song on the album is my favorite card. The album bad. But that one is one of those where we can remember and things. So we are gonna react to the music video. So I'm gonna jump in that one and here where other G officer. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Most Wanted. Yeah. Bumbleclad. So, one hot girl can rob me too. One hot girl can rob me with a batty jar hang out. What to me? Me and a smarty too. Me no want get robbed too. Yeah, me want get robbed too. Why she? Everything. Hold on. Me confused you, sir. What go on? So she's okay, so she go like she have fix her car and the G reverse. In pass or reverse. Reverse you want. Alright, then give me everything. Face down. Yeah.
Yes, I want it.
You got the good
pussy, baby.
So them bad gal ya parade, Masicka. And them bad gal ya parade. Hands in hands. Them gal ya rap man. Alright.
Yes, I want it.
You got the good pussy, baby. Yeah. Can I plant it?
You know that you drive me crazy.
Alright, concentrate. Don't sing, just concentrate. Bad yeah.
Yes, I want it. You got the good pussy, baby. Can I plant it? You know that you drive me crazy. Yes, I want it.
Bonnie and Clyde.
You got the good pussy, baby. Can I plant it?
Well, I know. Something like this. Jeez, man them. Something like this happen to Uno where Uno see one hot girl fix her car and she end up robbing you. See? You roll all couple hours later or the next day and see all the money in your chain. And she not different. What need I do? Left in the comment section. What I do? Remember at this point, when you see them again, you have a couple of virgin with you and your arms up like military base. What you do?
You drive me crazy.
What you do?
Yes, I want it. You got the good pussy, baby. Can I plant it? Most wanted. Anytime you bring me pussy, come you no feel left out of me raspberry. Come me like if I'm scandal. Nobody there you most wanted. And every man want to fuck off. And you me girl make them go on back.
Girl look good to you now.
Come out of me raspberry. Girl your pussy fat is like it's all swell.
Watch out, girl take off for a wig. Now one different year. So, alright. Fellas, Forget the question I'm asking earlier on. If you don't see her again, we're not going to know see her she. We're not going to know see her she. Disguise.
And every man want to fuck off.
Watch it.
Girl, make them go
Afro, gone.
No come out of me
Woo!
bed.
Bad
Girl,
girl.
your pussy fat is like it's all swell.
Like her.
Fuck around and give her that my heart shell. No say girl a wicked but me nah lie.
But the car. Them sitting in the car, I drive the car.
Fuck around and give her that my heart shell. No say girl a wicked but me nah lie. Believe all your lies like you can't spell. I'll show you know for
This is a. I try to keep the bad word them down, just so you know. This is a effing rabbit. Give me everything. Give me everything you have. No! No!
But me nah lie. Believe all your lies like you can't.
So him in there, no. Him in there, I consume him food, you know. Masicka in there consuming food. That girl are running. I set up a bunny and Clyde thing going on.
Shell. No say girl a wicked but me nah lie. Believe all your lies like you can't spell. I'll show you know if you ride it off. Well, maybe show you suck the cocky off.
Bomba! TG, get up and pop off in pipe. What? A show? A movie? A theater? A carib? A cinema?
Shell. No say girl a wicked but me nah lie. Believe all your lies like you can't spell. I'll show you know if you ride it off. Well, maybe show you suck the cocky off 10. I me know say girl you are my angel. You me know me want to bring me
All food she eat. She hungry, man. She hungry. Give her something.
off 10. I me know say girl you are my angel. You me know me want to bring me offspring. Girl me love your pretty treasure, dark skin. And more of this love is everlasting. When you back it up is like a movie. Girl you move me I'm a heartstring.
Hold on. Cut scene? A movie? Masicka, the bar that you're setting, bro. Not even a high jump, not even a javelin, not even a pole vault can jump over this.
It's like a movie. Girl you move me I'm a heartstring.
Capture a couple, man.
My youth, are you some blood clot line?
Shatters.
So, what you want to say?
Shatters.
Just take the weed and left the money now.
From me see it, we know a shatters. From me see that tie up, me know a shatters. Shatters. The infamous shatters. You don't go watch a movie if you don't watch it already, man. Come on.
What you want to say?
Just take the weed and left the money now.
Take the war and left the war.
What? And left the war? Better you just put on back this. Sound like a real pussy war.
Cock it up for me, flash away flash.
So Masicka Mad Max. Masicka Mad Max. Who is Masicka right here? Mad Max? Arwen.
This sound like a real pussy war.
Cock it up for me, flash away flashing. No, tap it talking, your batting brady. Watch your walking, catch your right there so. I'm not laughing, push it all in. Pussy there, yeah. Most wanted. Anytime you bring me pussy, come you no feel left out of me rascal. Come me like your vibes candid. Nobody there you most wanted. And every man want to fuck
Rebel,
off.
go on in,
For your girl, make them go and beg.
Must ring my finger.
No come
What
out
go on
of
in
me
there?
rascal. Come now. I ever send that body there where you come from. Girl, you don't even know where you do to gunman. Anytime you back it up, cock it and up strong. She ready for the rocket, no panic, it just land.
3 minutes ago.
Me go fuck slow, talk to me. Then a rough one, girl, tell me what she want to me. Baby, you just yourself, me want you be. Yeah. Yes, I want it.
3 minutes ago on. 3 minutes ago on from a sishi in a one different color wig. 3 minutes ago on. Hold on, don't mute it, bro. Come on. 3 minutes ago on, man.
Yes, I want it.
You got the good body, baby. Watch that.
Can I plant it? You know that you drive me crazy.
She find the belly. She find the belly. She find the belly eye operation. Everything gone. Jesus, what a wicked girl.
Want it? You got the good pussy, baby. Can I plant it? Most wanted.
3 minutes ago on. There any ladies out there we have the firepower already? I want a G if you come do them thing with. Cause me ready, you know. Me ready. Me ready right now. Me ready. So any hot girl out there, any dolly, no, not dolly, cause dolly and easy for pop off. Any bad girl out there we ready for take on the road with the G? There, link me, man. Instagram, Jamaica __ game and link me, man. I'm ready.
Anytime you bring me pussy, come you no feel left out of me respect. Come me like your vibes candid. Nobody they your most wanted. And every man want to fuck off for you, me girl, make them go on beg.
King, brother.
No come out of me respect. Nobody they your most wanted.
Video bad, man. Video bad. Too easy though. Too easy. Yo, the video bad. The video match. When I first hear this song, most wanted mean like every man want you. And that is what the song is saying. But the video give it a different twist. The video give it a different meaning. Someone big up Masicka and the hot girl. What the hot girl name Masicka? What's she name? Yeah. I actually no. I don't want to know her name because I don't want she rob me. Yeah, a bad girl that, yeah. A bad girl. But what me I say still, is there any hot girl out there want come go up on a robbing spree with me? You know, have to be able to change multiple wigs. Be able to drive. Yeah. And have to look good. And have to know how to bust gun. Yeah, and have to sexy too. Yeah. Me ready? But Masicka, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my fam. But we expect nothing less. Like, and I like the shutters part where you put in it as well. Take the one, left the one. That bad too. It's my infamous movie that. But yeah, Masicka, big up yourself. This is I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, you know if you do already. I'm not gonna say too much, you know? Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.